Hi everyone, I'm Allie with Potomac Beads, and today's Better Beader episode is actually going to be one that hopefully a lot of you find helpful. It's going to be how to navigate YouTube. So there's so much content available, and there are so many ways that you can get access to seeing patterns and designs, and I thought what I would do is actually walk you through the tips and the techniques that you may not know about when it comes to YouTube. So the first thing that we'll want to go over is the actual homepage on YouTube. Just like the top, like Google, you'll have a search function right at the top that you'll be able to look at and look up anything. You can get crazy amounts of searches when you add a simple word. The more detailed oriented that you create and look for in that search function, the more you're going to get to. Obviously, I have this open to our homepage on YouTube since it is our video. You can see that you can also, there's that red box on the right-hand side that says subscribe. You can press that subscribe and you'll get regular updates from us. There's also our website, Shop Online, in that top right-hand corner above the subscribe, as well as our current YouTube, social media, Facebook, Twitch schedule right there for you to watch. There's the home screen that has the home, videos, playlist, community, and channels listed. So how do we use YouTube effectively? We want to use YouTube effectively, and we want to make sure that we're searching within the correct parameters. When you're looking at YouTube, you have the option basically to go to the main YouTube. If you're Googling it, if you're going to YouTube, I've gone to youtube.com/Potomac Bead Co. This is going to get me to Potomac Bead Company's homepage of the actual YouTube tutorial. You can see that I'm currently not signed in to a YouTube account. You may be visiting YouTube as a visitor, or you may have a YouTube account. When you have a YouTube account and you sign in or you create a new account, it allows you to do things like subscribe to a channel. That's that red box right here is going to hit the subscribe. When I'm signed in to my YouTube account, it has me already subscribed to the channel. The important thing is when you do subscribe to the channel, it gives you things like notifications for this new YouTube tutorial, notifications when things are live. It gives you also the interest to kind of check out and check back in with us. You can see that here on the opening page of any of the YouTube channels, you're going to have, in addition to kind of the opening banner there, information about the company. Usually there's an intro video, which again, you can hit kind of that subscribe video once it's already done, and I'll give you links to what the company feels is the most important. Ours is going to be our websites, potomacbeads.com, as well as potomacbeads.edu. You can click on these links and it'll go right to the webpage. You can also do that from this top right-hand corner, right above that subscribe, to our website, Shop Online, and that'll take you to the US site. On the home page, there are featured channels, there are related channels that you may see, and then as you scroll down, there's uploads and the play all button. You can go to the uploads and see the most recent videos, hit that show more button if you want to see more, or you can look at popular uploads. The popular uploads on every channel are generally always going to be older videos because they have more views, because they've had more longevity. You can also go to different playlists that have been created and play those as well. When you hit the show more button, it is going to drop down to show more of the latest videos, and you can scroll through that. You can also go in and hit, again, that play all, or check out the videos by hitting the little video tab on the top banner. By hitting videos, it'll give you the most recent videos. You can also sort these the way that you want them to. You can hit that sort by, and it'll be most popular, oldest, newest, and you can choose what you want to search. When you click on a particular project, you can click and have a video from here. The other thing that you can do if you're looking for a particular video using a particular bead is actually hit that little magnifying glass. The magnifying glass, in my opinion, is the most useful tool in YouTube. That magnifying glass, because we're within the Potomac Bead channel, is going to search our YouTube channel. I can put and click there and type in any bead, any stitch, or anything that I want to search and see if the Potomac Bead Company has a resource for that. I typed in round duo, our first 2-hole bead. I'm going to hit the magnifying glass or that enter, and anything that you typed in with that actual name is going to pop up and you're going to see all the videos featuring that product. So whether or not you want to learn peyote stitch, you want to learn bead weaving, you want to learn any wire working, you can type all of those into that search function and that will come up. Remember that when you're looking at different videos, we'll go this one in particular here, that round duo mini, the videos will come up and usually you're going to have to watch an ad. This is part of YouTube. You can usually click and skip the ad so you don't have to do that. Down here, when you're watching a video, there's the options to do things like the mini player, put it in the right corner while you're browsing. The option in settings. The settings option is important because you can actually turn the speed and make the speed different. So when you're making the speed different, you can do it at normal speed. You can do it at slower speed because I know I speak pretty quickly, and hit that slower speed and it'll automatically slow down the video. You can also put subtitles on. They're usually pretty inaccurate, but that may help you as well. So keep in mind when you're looking at the different videos, you can also put how they're going to be closed captioning on. You can change it so it's in the theater mode, the full screen mode, and you can continue that way as well. Below every video, after watching myself go slowly here, below every video that you see, we'll go back to the most recent, that tango chain. Looking at the tango chain video, you're going to see that there, if you scroll down, are descriptions right near that subscribe button. In the subscriptions, there's links to purchase from us online. What you want to hit is that show more button. That show more button gives you links to the specific products that are used in the video. So you can watch at the beginning of the video of how many beads you actually need. Or what you can do is actually look and kind of scroll down and see the exact colors and get links to them from PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu. You can always comment below. You can give the video a little thumbs up that you like this. You'll have to sign in to do this to make sure that you're not just clicking and clicking and clicking and clicking. You can also share the video with a friend, and then also you can bookmark this to watch again later. I'm now logged on to my YouTube account and you can see that I am subscribed along with 171,000 other people. I have the option again to really look and concentrate on that magnifying glass. That's the thing that I want to really stress, is that not only can you see it, and you can search based on the site for whatever bead, technique, or type you want to do. Keep in mind that you can hit that little get notified with every little video, and a pop-up will happen that you'll get notified every time a new video is done. This is in addition to subscribing to the channel. So I want to hit that subscribe if I'm not already subscribed. Again, I signed into my account, so now I am subscribed. I can always go back and watch videos at any time. And I think really knowing that you have the option to do that bookmark, that is incredibly helpful, because sometimes you buy materials for beads and for videos and you don't know what they're for. So keep in mind, you can bookmark that and watch it and save it for later. You can create your own playlists again in YouTube and create all of those. You can also, like I did earlier, slow myself down, and that way you don't hear me talking as quickly. Those different settings in YouTube, that autoplay, annotations, speed, subtitles, the quality, you can address and actually put on the subtitles. You can do all of these wonderful things here right in that corner. So if you're having trouble navigating YouTube, definitely give us a call. We'll help you out. We'll get you back to that YouTube channel, searching for Potomac Bead Company Tutorials or Potomac Bead Company. Get you to our website, our most popular videos, and help you to shop as well. Remember that in all the different videos, you can click on, you can look and search in YouTube itself. You can also check out all of the beads that were used in the tutorials, as well as links to purchase from us online when you go in and check out below the video that little show more button. Get complete links to purchase again and see exactly what the exact materials are used. Remember, it's my suggestion with all YouTube videos to watch the YouTube video, the whole portion of the video. That way you make sure that you're getting all the details that may be included in the video. which sometimes will say to switch different beads if you want to, give you options for different ideas, as well as suggestions for different ways to go about doing it or to do different steps faster. With any YouTube channel and with any video, I strongly suggest, if you are buying materials and making it, that you watch the entire video, then go back and actually make the video. Hopefully this was informative to you, to get those notifications, to subscribe to the channels, to search within the channel itself, and again, that wonderful magnifying glass tool to be able to use and check and search any type of bead, any stitch, and anything within this YouTube channel. As always, thank you so much for watching this Better Beader episode. Again, it can be a little tricky to go through YouTube, search that top function box, because you're going to get so many responses. It's great to go to the individual channel and actually search in the magnifying glass within that channel. Remember, with all these Better Beader videos and episodes, they are made to make you a better beater. We want to go from the most beginning basics to the most advanced. Even the most advanced people, you'll find things helpful and useful with YouTube. Keep in mind the videos are free, so keep that in mind, because kind of that whole idea, sometimes you get what you pay for. And if you need any links to any supplies or any products, we have them available for you. If you ever need any help navigating YouTube, we're happy to help you. So make sure you contact us at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.io. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this navigation of YouTube made you a better beater.